Hi, my name is Stella, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Autobrush, how it works, the benefits, and why it's creating such a buzz among parents and families. So, what is Autobrush and why is it getting so much attention? Autobrush is an innovative U-shaped electric toothbrush designed to make brushing faster, easier, and more effective for both kids and adults. Using advanced sonic cleaning technology and a hands-free design, it helps clean all teeth at once in just 30 seconds, making daily oral care much more convenient. Important to note, Autobrush is not sold on Amazon or other marketplaces. The only official place to buy it is through the website, which you'll find linked in the description of this video. This ensures you get the genuine product and full customer support. What sets Autobrush apart is that it doesn't brush like a traditional toothbrush. It surrounds your teeth with soft bristles designed to clean every surface simultaneously. The device uses powerful sonic vibrations combined with specially formulated foam toothpaste to improve plaque removal and support healthier gums. The formula used with Autobrush includes ingredients like fluoride, nanohydroxyapatite, xylitol, aloe vera, and mint extract, helping support enamel strength, fresh breath, and overall oral hygiene. Both the toothbrush and its brush heads go through strict quality testing to ensure safety, comfort, and long-lasting performance. This means families can feel more confident about making brushing a simple and enjoyable part of the daily routine. With Autobrush, you get more than just cleaner teeth. You get a faster, more engaging brushing experience that encourages healthier habits and helps make oral care less stressful for both parents and kids. Thousands of families have already made Autobrush a part of their daily routine, experiencing not just cleaner teeth, but a real improvement in brushing consistency and overall oral hygiene. The beauty of this system is that it's not about making brushing harder, it's about making healthy habits easier to maintain over time. While many users notice fresher breath and a more enjoyable brushing experience within the first few days, the most significant long-term results typically come after several weeks of consistent daily use. That's when better brushing habits become part of the routine and oral hygiene improves naturally. What's more, the system is designed to make brushing fun and simple, especially for children who usually resist traditional brushing. Over time, this helps create healthier habits that truly stick and support long-term dental care. To make this decision risk-free for you, the creators offer a 30-day, no questions asked return policy. You either feel the difference or you get your money back. I made this video to share something that genuinely worked for me. If you decide to try Autobrush, be sure to use it consistently every day and follow the recommended brushing routine for the best possible results. Your oral health journey is your own, but one thing is certain: a solution that makes healthy habits easier can create lasting change. Thousands of families are already using Autobrush to improve their daily brushing routine and support healthier smiles. The official link is right below in the description and the first pinned comment. Take this step for yourself and discover a faster, easier, and more enjoyable way to care for your smile.